Hi everyone, we hope this video finds you doing well. The goal of today's video is to begin a series of videos that will communicate information about different types of robotic vacuums that we have used and studied in our own home. Having used these products, and even beta tested some, we believe that we have some valuable expertise that might help you learn and choose. Today's product promises to be a special unit that successfully handles numerous tasks. It's our intention to compare its performance to other units. This film is fiddly, but it does a great job of holding the clean and dirty water tanks in place along with the lid that encloses the vacuum base's dust bag. This bottom tray is important because the X10 Omni Pro will scrub the mopping pads against the surface, leaving the soiled water to filter through it. It's designed to be removed for cleaning as necessary. How clever! And now on to the actual X10. This is the base's ramp, which you'll see Tom install later on. Did Tom cut this like a surgeon, or a teacher? Ha ha. Here it is. But be careful because its side brush passes through a hole in the wrapping. You don't want to accidentally yank that off. Isn't it interesting to see how artificial intelligence and vision is being utilized in robotic vacuums and robotic lawnmowers? Well, the quality of the packaging, the unit and its base seem excellent. We can't wait to set it up and begin comparison testing. Thanks for watching, and please look out for future videos if you're looking to purchase a product like this, or if you're just interested in how the future is evolving.